This is an apple. What a pig I am. Instead of just showing people how, my apps and my development and my stuff, I'm just eating sorry, apple, apple. everything is everything starts with app now, and everything starts with error as well. Let's try to fix that error. Okay, yarn. Fix error. Yeah, will it fix it? That's the question. I'm doing actually like a new project. I mean, it's a project that I talked about, pattern market, obviously, this one. There's a lot of work, but it doesn't make money yet. So I just what I want to do, and it's I want to get investors. So this is actually something that I was trying for Planero, but like I realized that I don't really need investors there. But this project is between me and 3 other people, and I want to actually start paying them as well. So what I would like to do is, sorry, I just got like lots of apple pieces in my teeth. So yeah, even more of a pig I am. And this is actually competition for it, like sewing pattern market. So I just need to do research and find where people are selling those things. So I'm selling on normal. So my biggest competitor is Etsy, and probably that's it. Oh, okay. There's just patterns. Sew it. Oh, that's on online designer. No, I got 2 actually competitors. I can see your sewing pattern destination. Okay, let's see if this one is as well. Bug. So those people, I can buy it here. Do I? Yeah. Okay. I think I can buy this stuff. Choose format PDF. Okay. Yeah. So this is another website. So what I have to do research on my competition. That's one of the things. See what they actually do well, and just copy all that functionality there. So another one, yeah, that's another fun task. And yeah, and basically I need to do a pitch deck as well. So Canva, and let's do a new one, design. Let's do presentation, obviously. Yeah, and we have a pitch deck here. I like this one. Is it pretty? Yeah, this is, or this one. Maybe not. I have the paid version. Ah, shit. Sorry. This is probably disgusting. Maybe I shouldn't really be just taking stuff from my tooth and then eating it. That's how I am, I guess. So I want to do like a cutesy-ish. Is it cutesy enough? Sustainable fashion. Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, I think that's maybe this. I don't know Trackster. Let's do fashion actually. Um, fashion presentation or pitch deck. Oh, yeah, that's that's a nice one. Let's see. Sorry, shit. Maybe I should hide myself. Let's just hide myself for now, so then I can play with my teeth without being disgusting. And yeah, I think I like it actually. Although we have different fonts. Intro. This is nice design though. Story. Plum, our team project. Keep in touch. Obviously, I need to do. Okay, I like this presentation. I will do that. So now the next step. Today to get investors for pattern market project. So basically, I'm willing to give away some of my gold now. So I will be looking for, as they called, angel, business angel. So I want to sell some of my business to someone for money, and then this money will let me build, like hire people and finish the project, and hire people that I'm working with on it, and do promotion. So I want to sell that away to someone in return for some potential a percentage of the revenue later. Is it revenue or earnings? It's not earnings. See, I'm such a shit businessman. I don't know even which one is which. So profits. Yeah, I think it's profits. Shit. Okay, let me just like quick one. I will just quickly go and just get myself a toothpick, because I shouldn't be eating apples here. It's annoying. Let me just finish this one quickly. I will grab a toothpick and then be back on my pitch deck. So now I obviously apply for like this pitching event that I went to once before, but I was badly prepared at the time. I didn't know really what the fuck am I doing. But now I think I know what the fuck I'm doing. I think I know how to get investors for the project. And this is a perfect project to give away some percentage and to get some, because that would actually, like, it would be great to, yeah, I think it would be great project to give away, I guess. So yeah, sorry, I'll be back in a minute, because like I've been eating apples and like I shouldn't be doing that. So I've been actually a disgusting person. Let me just get the pieces of apple from my teeth, and then I will not be annoyed so much. So I'll be back in a minute. Guess who's back? Back again. Just yeah, be back in a second. But basically, did I finish my break? Is my break finished? Sorry, let's just hide myself for a minute, because I'm still doing the annoying thing. So in a minute I will be doing the speech presentation, and with a hope that it will actually earn me an investor, because I think I know how to do it. I think I know how to get money to complete this project, how to get investors into, because I think it's a good idea for someone. So like there is obviously a market. I need to find out what's the size of the market more or less. And I can probably look for into AI. I wonder if my Copilot will know. Do you think my Copilot might actually know how big is the market? Because that's not really a programming question, is it? It's more of a business question. When I started looking for investors in this project, I need to create a pitch deck, but I'm not not really sure what information should go there. For example, I need to know the size of market and potential revenue numbers we can make. Can you help with? I think like Claude should be able to do it. Like otherwise I will go to GPT, and I think it should be, yeah, I can help. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I was just using a toothpick to get rid of some horrible stuff from my teeth. I mean horrible. That was just apples, pieces of apple. So sorry for that. I'm actually here again. So let's see what my AI tells me. Company name, tagline, your name, title, date. So we'll have to research that, obviously. What pain points are you solving? Obviously, a pain point is, what's the problem? So people want to sell, like, there's a market of people. There are people who want. Oh, let me just move away from here. So what pain point am I solving is, where to sell the patterns. So sometimes people sell them as, print them themselves and sell them directly. So I think like that's one of the pain points. Oh, actually one of the competitors is actually providing that. Pattern market, fragmented pattern marketplace. Okay, hard for designers to monetize. Buyers can't find quality patterns easily. Yeah, that's a great pain point. How your platform solves it. Your unique value proposition. Let's just copy it. This is actually very, very useful. So I will be doing my presentation based on to estimate your market. Oh, okay, that's gonna be good. Okay. Simple revenue calculation, key metrics. Oh, nice. I like the millions. I like the billions, millions. That means Ferraris for me. But basically, okay, I have to, obviously this is simple stuff. So what am I trying to solve? Simple and not, maybe. I don't know. Like it's an important part. How your platform solves it. Yeah. How are we solving it? So we allow actually people to sell those patterns. Your unique value proposition. And it's not very unique in my opinion, but because there are a bunch of other websites, although I have to do some research on them. Market size, TAM, SAM, SOM. So TAM, total addressable market. Global sewing craft market, global sewing market is 4 to 5 billion, maybe. Digital patterns segment, 500 million to 1 billion. Oh, that's a good, good chunk of it. Serviceable available market. Your target regions, English-speaking markets, 200 to 300 million. That's okay. Serviceable, obtainable market. Realistic capture in 3 to 5 years, 1 to 5%, 2 to 15 million. Yeah, okay, I think we can capture that. I don't think this is actually out of the. These numbers are impossible. This is actually, I think these are good numbers actually. Screenshots, walkthrough of your platform, key features, upload, search, purchase, download. We currently have also like a drawing, like a editor. That's good. Oh, and like we should be able to download. Like when you buy it, you should be able to download. So that's actually something that is not ready yet. Product demo, screenshots, that's fine. Business model, revenue streams, commissions on sales, 10 to 20%, premium listings, subscriptions. Ooh, yeah. Average transaction value. We can check that. That's actually easy to find out because we can get that information from Etsy and from the other. There is a other website like that. Customer lifetime value. Hard to say actually, but maybe we can know that. I don't know if we can know that. Can we know that? I don't know. Current users, patterns, sales, traction. We don't have current users. Growth rate, month on month, year on year. Key metrics, GMV, active sellers, repeat buyers. Okay, we don't. That's a problem. We have to start working on traction. So I need to start actually getting like even free users to start putting their stuff, I guess. Competition. Revelry. Oh, that's okay. Etsy, Revelry. Competitions. Okay, let's just copy that and start just placing stuff into it because that's actually good info. This is for my other product. Okay, so let's just go from the top. I will copy all of that because this is a good shit, as they say. And then we will try to actually apply this to my pitch deck and get people to invest in my shit. Hope investors won't see it. I hope the investor who is thinking about buying it is not gonna see me talking about this shit because it's actually a good app. So I should be actually more positive. I shouldn't say shit. So yeah. Would you? Okay, start the poll. Would you be open to finding to your SaaS? Yeah, like okay, yes, no. Is this like, I wonder if it's something that people are thinking about, like, you know, are you thinking about selling your app if you have it? Like, would you sell it yourself? So yeah, again, it's again, I think like Copilot is doing me a good service here. I actually love what it, like, it created good initial pitch deck. Yeah, good initial pitch deck, let's say. So let's just go through it and like, okay, start filling it up with my information and then trying to actually finish it. I mean, I might be able to do like entire pitch deck today, although I will not do it without one thing, and that one thing is music. So let's not forget about my programming music. Yeah, 2% will be enough. Not too much, not too many. Let's not have 7%, 20%. 2% of that YouTube music is good enough, right? So yeah, like, are you considering actually selling your stuff? Yeah, would you be open? Because like it's like, you know, I've been a programmer for many days, and I've been building stuff for other people, but like, why not actually just building it for, like, creating my own business? That's actually like really much more fun and interesting. And like, you know, when I'm building my products, like, so there's Planero, which I'm actually doing marketing now. I try to get customers. There is this pattern market, which is very, like, it's a bit earlier, but like I think there's even more potential there. So I just have to create a pitch for it. Yeah. So let's start cracking on it. Actually, maybe I should just start doing. So basically, like, I really like what Copilot gave me, because there's quite a lot of information already. Although, like, there's gaps in my knowledge, my own knowledge. So, for example, I don't really know all of that. But for example, like, especially the competition part, that's actually something I should be spending much more time on, and that's actually something I will be doing now. So, like, two main actually avenues now. I think I should actually stop writing code myself, because there's a lot of actually marketing and speaking to like I've signed up on Facebook to like about billion sewing groups. So okay, not this good. Why does it always get me here? So it's about, like, you know, I joined like sewing tips and stuff. So I just have to start writing messages here to people like, would you like to sell it on my platform? Where would you be interested? To find people actually that do that, and maybe, you know, to have some initial customers on my app. So that's probably something I have to start doing more. So that's one of the things I'll have to do more. And two is actually sign up to all the what's this? Why is this? Why am I okay? Don't know. Why am I informed about that? Yeah, this I don't care. Why am I informed about this? Did I click something accidentally? So yeah, I've actually like joined like lots of sewing groups. So I have to start writing to people there and asking like, okay, would you be interested? Like, so that's actually another job I have to do. So like maybe like it's time for me to stop being a programmer for this app and start being like a marketer and like a boss actually. I think because we are just lacking some of the information. And also like another one, I will have to go through Etsy. I was trying to register, but I couldn't. Am I registered? No. Register? I think there's something broken. Okay, let's just do Facebook because I don't want to do Google. Yeah, it's me. Yeah, okay. Oh, I'm registered. Valid email address. What the hell are you talking about? I did Facebook. Let's try to log in now. So I have to like also set this up to see what features I'm still missing. That's not my password. Did you sign up? I don't know. Okay, let's just try to sign up normally. Let's see. No, register. Yeah, okay. So I will just register here. Also, I'm registered already. Yeah, okay, see, like this, there is a... So I guess that there's a lot here to start copying. And I haven't done that, actually, obviously. Messages, that's important as well. So there will have to be entire module for messages. Special offers. Let's register. Make every milestone big and small. yeah, so some of it I will have to actually copy from what they actually selling. And I have to check actually if they have like pattern drawing patterns. Yeah, okay. So I have to obviously check what's the price. How much do people charge for it? What do I like digital download? Do they offer? Okay, so it's mostly digital, I think, which is good. So this is how people are selling it. I might need to add some fields. This is good. Yeah, so I have to actually make sure that this is digital download. Yeah, that's a good stuff. Yeah. So the prices I can see already. So that's one of the questions. What's the how much we can? Oh no, not this. How much are we ready to sell it for? Let's just move this up. Okay. Can I like squeeze this? Just on the top? No, it's gonna do everything. Yeah, I think that's how it should be shown. Screen. So, yeah, the question, so I can already see that I have some answers to some of those questions, and that will help me actually get further. So, the problem, obviously, selling patterns online. Selling patterns. Yeah, I think that's yeah, okay, problem. Yeah, okay. That's cover slide. Let's start filling up actually my presentation. This will actually help me answer the questions like, okay, what am I missing even in terms of information? Where do I have to get some help, or where do I have to research more? And I think like also I will have to get contact people actually that are doing this stuff. But yeah, I like Etsy. It's nice. Pet suppliers. So pet supplies. Okay. So you have like if I wanna sell, purchase and reviews. Sell on Etsy. Okay, that's how we do it. Get started. Open Etsy shop. Ooh, open Etsy shop. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so that's also the process I have to observe. I'm curious about selling on Etsy, but I don't know what I'd like to sell yet. Handmade. Digital. Okay, it's digital. Now time for the fun part. Okay, I like actually what they did here. Deutsch, English, currency. Yeah, see, they have currencies that they can actually serve. That's good. They don't have PLN, Polish, zloty. So okay, they are limited to that. That's actually something that we were thinking about today. Lukasz. Yeah, available name, great. Getting paid on Etsy. Where is your bank located? Okay, that's actually important. First name, enter, okay. Okay. Tax purposes. Yeah, that's actually something I have to answer. So yeah, I think I have to like also start writing down actual sort of features and pages that I'm still missing. So I am still missing. Share your billing info. So yeah, that's this entire part is not really. It's actually something that I'm really far off from having. So that's actually something I have to brush up on. I think I'm quiet, am I not? I think I'm too quiet now. Let's just do filters. Gain. Oh no, I think my gain is... Hello? Hello? Maybe that's better. Is it better? Yeah, I think so. I think it's... Let's see which actually mic I'm using, but because maybe that's not the one. No, that's the one. Good. Maybe it's actually using it through... Because I actually installed this tool. It's like a NVIDIA broadcast. Yeah, I think that's the one actually. Test micro for noise removal. Test speaker effect.
Hi there. This is a test message with air conditioning in the background. Normally, it'd be difficult to carry a conversation with someone as a result of this background noise, but with NVIDIA's AI-powered noise...
Yeah, okay. Noise removal. Is it really AI? Come on. Everything that does... Everything now has to pretend to be AI. Okay, I think that's... Yeah, but like I'm just not sure because I can see that my range is... my audio is I don't know if it's loud enough, but basically this is actually stuff I'm missing still, and I can probably see. So this is favorites, gifts, deals. Yeah, a lot to copy actually. There's a lot to copy. So that's actually maybe not for now. I can actually see how much people are charging. Is this like... Okay, because this is real probably. This is on paper. Yeah, okay. Order today get by... That's when we... Paperwork. This is nice. 30 for sales. Jake style designer. Oh, maybe that's why, because there's multiple. So yeah, like see, this is my competition actually. And I have to convince those people to sell with me rather than with Etsy. But that's fine. I mean, I would have to actually figure out how much Etsy takes, but that's something that we can easily get, I guess. And I will be 5% cheaper, I guess, because I wanna steal their market, and also like make new people to actually sell their patterns, because there is this huge market empty of people not doing it at all. So that's actually something that I will also look into. Where's my Canva? Okay, I shouldn't be creating like products now. I just wanted to check prices actually, so I can see that the prices starts at wherever $2 and they're up to $100. That's probably the spread. So here, so my first slide was cover, company name. Okay, pattern market. Yeah. This is something that will replace, obviously. Fashionable dress. So that's elements, obviously, dress. Yeah, okay, we can just throw that kind of stuff. Yeah. Not Asian, sorry, not in this case. It will be... Let's get this lady. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's Asian steam. Yeah, I think that's cool. Why not? Yep, no. And let's just move this around. And here. Yeah, good. Maciej Łukasz. Communication tools that can be used as a demonstration lectures report. Okay, let's what tagline should I go for? Yeah, help me. Here are tagline options for pattern designers thrive. Sell your pattern, build your brand. A marketplace for quality sewing patterns. Yeah, that's actually, I like that. Connection creators. Yeah, I think that's good. Let's just move this slightly closer, yes. And what's on the first page again? So the problem, company name, tagline, your name, title, date. I don't know when the date, it's not. Yeah, these are cool actually. It's such a good designs here. Very nice, very nice. But this guy is actually, they're selling them physical, so it's not PDF. We actually want to allow selling PDFs as well. I don't know how to Etsy purchase protection. That's actually something I will have to do as well. I have to steal from Etsy a lot of ideas. And a lot of customers, I hope. You know, obviously that's another thing. We will steal from them customers. Because, and we'll get new customers as well. We'll just convince new people to actually sell their shit. So it doesn't need to be like that. We are just taking from Etsy. I think we will take some of the market from others, I think. But also we want to get some new customers. And that's actually where money for marketing will go in as well. That's AI, isn't it? Yeah. That's AI. So you're actually like posting. This is cool. That's actually the seller who is doing this. So he has to this Jake style design. This fellow has to show some good images and maybe videos. Although currently marketing chat. Oh, I have in half an hour. I have like another meeting, so I will probably do another half an hour of this. And if someone didn't come, if someone didn't vote, then it's their problem. Someone is not really interested in finding investors. That's good, maybe. Maybe if you have your product, you should maybe sell it yourself. Although I think I'm at the stage where I could use some money from outside. And I think I'm ready to actually get that there, you know? It's like I was actually trying to do it myself, but I could probably try to get a grant, or I could just get an investor. Like angel, they called angels. So someone who has money and he wants to invest it and wants to get some earnings later. I think I'm trying to redefine. I'm trying to give a definition of a word that is commonly known, which is an investor. But yeah, that's what we want to do. Although, like my font, we have actually a very good font on Pattern Market, which I will have to fix quite soon because it's annoying. Like, oh no, I've actually, yeah, I've deployed. Good. So I have to get this font out there, and I will sooner or later will have to pay for this freaking Verso. That's fine. I can deal with it. Good. So basically, I think I will just check what the font is. What the font? What's this font again? Computed. Playfair. I wonder if they have it in... They have Playfair? Although maybe I will just keep this one. Oh yeah, they do have that one. Although I like this one more. That's fine. I think we'll just use it for presentation. And on the website we just use the other one. But look at this A here. I think this could be Playfair. So this one will be Playfair. I wonder if can we do subheading body. Okay, so that would be Laura. Yeah, I want it to be Playfair. Do I have to do it everywhere? Can I just do like a apply all? Subheading. No, that's adding subheading. Paragraph. What's this? Magic right. What does it do? Change voice. More formal. Oh, that's just AI shit. I don't need that. I want you to allow me to redefine the style. Oh, okay, so I can do... I can copy style here. And how do I paste style? Do I like a paste? Paste. This like... Oh no, it's just pasted the text. Silly. Oh, how do I play for? Yeah, okay, let's just do it this way. I'm gonna have to go slow, I guess. Play for. Because that's our font. So we'll just change all of this to play for again. Which is a pain because I would expect it to be something that I could do generally to every text. Yeah, we have play for here. Play for display. Play for display. Display for? Yeah, I think that is play for Okay. Play for again. And play for again. Good, nice, pretty. Thank you. This will be play for as well. And this will be play for as well. Okay, so I had to go manually. That's sometimes, like if you don't know software, that's a problem sometimes. But then it's done. This job is done. So I have all of them here. Oh, that's nice. Let's remove one of the ladies. And further, this further. Why is this not the same width? How? Okay. Yeah, good. Okay, that's nice. With the line below. Is this better? Nah. Yep. Okay, I think that's good. The thing is, like, maybe I shouldn't really go so deep into this crap. Don't know. Don't know. I think I might actually like take this video later and edit it down to something more simpler. Before we show this great business, let me show you this introduction. No, that's not intro. We are looking for the problem here. What's the problem? For pattern market, fragmented market. So I will do, it will be bullet points. Maybe this should be wider. Yeah, maybe this will do, although I will replace those images obviously with some more
Agnieszka to ich Ola, zespół Rokiczanka.
good. I like that. Okay, no questions, no chat, good. Oh, 5 people, good. Nice to see you guys. Make sure to subscribe if you didn't. I don't know, I can't do anything to you, obviously. You can just subscribe and be nice. And like, yes, comment if you are watching it in the future. If you are watching it in the past, I don't know how you can do it. if you are watching it in the present, if you have any questions, you know, there's a chat here. There's a poll that there's just 2 answers so far, but I'm hoping for about 2,000 answers. I don't know how, but we'll see. And if you are thinking, like, what the hell is this guy doing? He's saying that he's a SaaS guy. So I'm trying to sell my SaaS, basically. So I've got several projects now I'm working on. And this is actually one of the major ones. That's something that I built many years ago and never finished it. So I revived it this year. And I'm doing everything to actually get it sold, making money, being competitive. And, you know, do all the cool stuff that, you know, I will not have to, after selling this, you know, making money on it, instead of driving my old 20 years old Subaru, I can just buy myself Ferrari. Yes, so that's the goal here. No, it's not about, you know, anymore about building products, about programming, about challenges. When it comes to SaaS products, it's about buying a Ferrari for me. Yeah, so that's what I want to do. And I have a meeting actually in 20 minutes, so I might actually need to go soon. But, you know, make sure you actually do all that stuff that I mentioned. So, you know, then subscribe, like, whatever, all the other stuff. And back to work, I guess, you know. So I'm doing the pitch for to try to actually. There's actually lots of unknowns I have, and that's often because of the lack of research. I just didn't care. But that's actually something I will have to answer now. Oh, there's another competition site. Print orders automatically includes more PDF paper. Okay, so you can order paper, which is the same price. Is this the same price as PDF? That's nice, actually. So you're gonna print it yourself. Okay. But that's actually, in my case, it's gonna be a future, because first I would have to find the providers that could print it for me. But like that wouldn't be hard, I think, at some point. Yeah, so that's my pitch deck idea. So I'm just looking for, yeah, where here. Yeah. So let's pattern shop. That's someone's private ones, isn't it? That's this lady's or whatever private shop. This one probably. She's probably model and or maybe not. Maybe she has different models. There is one bit more chubby and one. And these are the prices. Okay, why is it? Oh, okay. So we can order in any currency. That's a. Wow, that's expensive. Of wherever this currency is. Afghanistan. Let's see how much it's in Afghanistan money. Yeah, I would just like my plan is to do euros and dollars maybe for now. So yeah, so I'm actually trying to get investors to get us to help us actually finishing this up, because we are I think we are doing well, but you know, most of the people just have to pay their bills and stuff. And I can, you know, I can convince them to work with me, and I can try to persuade them that it's a great idea. But this, you know, this doesn't really get me too far, I guess. I still have to pay them at some point, which, you know, obviously might be useful. So that's why I would actually look for investor, you know, someone who currently has some extra money that can actually share with me. And then based on that, I will actually share some of my revenue with them. Did I actually book that meeting for tomorrow? Sorry, just checking. Oh yeah, it's here. Let's see. Oh, okay, yeah, that's good. Keep your campaigns running. Yeah, Google. I'm spending so much money. Sorry, I'm just checking my email. But yeah, back to work, I guess. So let's just close this. I just have too many tabs and I'm getting lost now. So see, like I have some Facebook stuff I don't really need to do now. I fixed my build, which is good, I think. I have some ladies dancing and smiling and you know, and washing laundry. So that's actually, so I have this in 2 tabs. Which one is correct? Okay. Did it catch it? Yeah, okay. Oh, so both of them are fine. I will look into Etsy later. I think Etsy is good example. So I will have to, but like there is another one. So what was the other one? I just forgot. Okay, I will Google it later. I Googled it today. I found it today on Google, so tomorrow I will probably find it as well, if I need it. Let's just close this page for now. So that's slide 2. Yeah, that's cool. I think that's enough, you know. Do I need to put that even? Let's just remove this. Oh, no. Yeah, okay, we'll just have that. Yeah, I kinda liked it. It's a pretty actually presentation. The next slide is according to my research, which was just asking my AI agent to. The next one is solution, how platforms solve it, your unique value proposition. Yeah, okay, so that's the solution. This actually, I don't know, to be honest. Can you help me with solution?
Najświętsza Panienko, daj mi za męża i synka kochanego.
How your yeah, okay. Otherwise I would have to think of it myself and just answer that question myself, which is hard. Actually, it's a hard question. It's a hard question about AI. And like back in the day, I would have to think of it and formulate it and speak to my friends that work with me. Okay, the solution. The parent market is two-side marketplace that connects pattern designers with. Okay, one of the new features is like a pattern drawing tool that creates the right PDF file and make sure to include it in the next answers in the solution and all the next answers. Also I need it to be shorter. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Unfortunately, I will have to go in like 5 minutes because I have a meeting. I want to have a coffee before. That would be nice. And this already is an hour, so I will actually continue on that because this is very, very important. The unique value proposition. Pitch slide. Ultra concise. Problem. Pattern designers either pay for Shopify with 0 traffic or get lost in Etsy. Ooh, okay, that's nice actually. Pay $200. That's actually something I will have to rephrase, I guess, because that's I don't like, you know, oh, for Shopify. Zero traffic. I got lost. General craft fixing. Okay, solution. Oh, that was still a problem, isn't it? Okay, let's just add it to the problem, because I think that was a nice. I just keep on. Okay, let's close this part. Just yeah. Okay. Oops. Okay, let's just actually this is not a slide, but yeah. Nothing here. Okay, so solution. This should be actually. Okay, let's just. Pay for. Let's just pay for hundreds of. For Shopify with zero traffic or get lost. Yeah, let's just make this actually 32. Yeah, I like that actually. That's a nice slide actually. This is actually something I will have to like really outline. This is one of the most important stuff. It's like, I mean, all of them are important. Like theme as well. I think all of them are important, but I'll just have to explain that very well. So this slide here. That's probably something. Let's just do elements. Fashion. Place. Can I, like, is this something useful? No? Is this like gonna... Oh, this looks like a childish. Clothes. Fashion. Oh. Fashion marketplace. Maybe that will be better. This is like too Arabic. Not very European. I'm just looking for like more European. Okay, unfortunately, I will have to go. And I can see that people are joining. 6 people, 5 people. Just keep on coming. People keep on coming now when I have to go. But like that's the reality. Make sure you vote here, guys. Like there is a poll, and there was just 2 votes. So like it seems like no one is saying, or someone is saying 50% yes, 50% no. That's not really an answer I'm happy with. Also subscribe, because that's, you know, that's an important thing for me. Maybe not for you, but for me as well. For me it is. Although like you might like my next videos, because I will be building this. I will be actually selling this. So, you know, if this is something that interests you, you will learn a lot while I'm learning as well, because there's lots of stuff I don't know. Like I don't know this pitch game. I don't know this business stuff. I will be learning that over next month or 2, and trying to get this product as well to be something that makes money. Not only to me, but also to investor that I'm actually trying to get, and to my team of 3 lovely people that work with me on this. So yeah, Thanks for coming. Like, subscribe, love, share, wherever. Do everything that they, do everything YouTube, okay? Or just wherever. See you around. Thank you. Bye.